Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on Pixiv. You click on settings, you click on apps, default tabs, app settings. You will search for Pixiv app. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will enter to storage. You will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.